In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel using conditional formatting. To do this, all you need to do is highlight the cells that you'd like to find the duplicates for. Then click on the conditional formatting, click on highlight cell values, go all the way down to the bottom, you'll see duplicate values, and you can choose whatever colors you'd like to use to highlight these cells. Click on OK, and now that you have the cells highlighted, we're gonna go to the Data tab, click on Filter, use this drop down menu right here, filter by color, then just highlight all of those cells, right click, then delete. It's going to ask you if you want to delete the entire sheet row. In this case, OK. Then clear your filter, and just like that, all of your duplicates have been removed. But let's just say you have a lot of data that you're working in. I mean a lot. You may find it a lot easier to simply, let me just clear the rules from the cell so that we are starting with a fresh cell. You'll find it simpler to just format the data as a table, so you're able to highlight everything at once, or just click on Ctrl A to select all and do the conditional formatting once more. So I'll just format my data as a table without color. Then from there I can just click here to highlight all of the cells at once. Click on the Home tab, conditional formatting, highlight cells, duplicate values, then click there, or click the drop down menu, filter by color, and once again you just delete the sheet rows and clear the filters, and all of your duplicates have been removed. So that's it for this very short video on how to remove duplicates from Microsoft Excel cells using conditional formatting. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below telling me what is it that you actually liked about this video and what other videos would you like to see on this channel.